Introducing the Rinnai Ventless Propane Heater, a compact yet powerful heating solution designed to provide efficient warmth in small indoor spaces. This versatile heater offers precise temperature control, advanced safety features, and a hassle-free maintenance experience. Join us as we delve deeper into the key features and benefits of this reliable heating solution. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Efficient heating. This heater is a powerful and efficient heating solution for small spaces. With its warm air outlet and bottom front louvers, this heater effectively warms up indoor areas, ensuring comfort during chilly seasons. Number 2. Smart control. One standout feature of this heater is its precise temperature control. The programmable thermostat display allows you to easily adjust the temperature to your desired level. The digital adaptive control adapts to your heating needs, providing personalized comfort. Additionally, the self-diagnostics feature simplifies maintenance, making it a convenient choice. Number 3. Peace of mind. Safety is a top priority with this heater. It is equipped with multiple safety features, including a flame failure device, overheat switch, oxygen depletion sensor, and tilt switch. These mechanisms automatically disable gas/power if the device overheats, overturns, or is extinguished, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Number 4. Professional installation recommended. To ensure proper installation and safety, Rinnai recommends hiring a qualified technician from their Find a Rinnai Pro service. Attempting to install the heater without professional assistance is discouraged. This underscores the brand's commitment to user safety and product functionality. Number 5. Reliable heating solution. This heater is a reliable heating solution for various indoor settings, including bedrooms, home offices, study rooms, and more. Its cool-to-touch child-safe cabinet with a safety lock provides additional peace of mind, particularly for families with children. The ventless and ductless design makes installation straightforward. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 3 inches depth by 23 inches width by 20 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Efficient and even heating. Smart programmable thermostat. Multiple safety features. Child-safe cabinet with a safety lock. Ventless and ductless design. 1 reason not to buy. Initial cost may be higher. Conclusion. The Rinnai Ventless Propane Heater is a dependable and efficient heating solution for small spaces. Its advanced features, safety mechanisms, and user-friendly controls make it a valuable addition to any indoor environment. However, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of professional installation for optimal performance and safety. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.